stop scrolling because I just found a whole stack of upcycled clothing ideas on Pinterest that are so good, it almost makes you rethink what's sitting in your closet right now. We're talking creative transformations of old clothing into completely new looks, things that feel like boutique pieces but started as something forgotten or worn out. I've linked the Pinterest board in the description so you can see every single idea for yourself, plus any patterns or inspiration tied to them. And here's where I need you: vote for your favorite idea in the comments. Once we hit 100 votes, I might recreate the winning one in my own style and bring it to life on camera. So watch closely, pick your favorite, and let's see which idea deserves a second life. I want you to look at something a little differently today. What if your closet is not just a place where clothes sit, but a place where memories are quietly waiting to be reworked into something new? Because every single piece of clothing you own has already lived a life before it ever got to you. And when we start upcycling, we are not just turning fabric into something new. We are actually giving those memories a second chance to exist in a different form. And I know that sounds kind of deep for a pile of old clothes, but think about it. That shirt you forgot about, those jeans you stopped wearing, that dress you swore you would fix one day, they did not stop having value just because they stopped being worn. They just stopped being seen. And that is where creativity steps in. Because instead of asking what should I buy next, we start asking what can I become with what I already have. And suddenly your closet turns into a story instead of storage space. Every stitch becomes a decision, every cut becomes a reset, and nothing is really wasted anymore, just transformed. I found a whole Pinterest board linked in the description below where you can see all of these upcycled clothing ideas for yourself, plus any patterns or inspiration tied to them. If you love this kind of creativity, go ahead and like this video and subscribe for more content like this, because I am always sharing ideas like this. And there's also a tutorial video list in the description below that includes tutorials from previous projects and ideas I've shared before. So you can learn how to actually make some of these transformations yourself, because the goal is not just to look at inspiration. It is to start seeing your closet as something that can evolve with you instead of something you have to constantly replace. And maybe the most powerful part of all of this is realizing you do not need more clothes to have more style.